Welcome to Softech and Infec. I am Vikramaditya. Follow us for SAP and software training and placement news. What is SAP Basis? SAP actually stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing, while Basis stands for Business Application Software Integrated Solution. Basis administrators are involved in maintenance, system upgrades, setting up of system jobs, monitoring and analyzing system logs, and other administrative activities such as granting the access, login credentials to individuals, and maintaining the load balance of the systems and upgrading to latest servers. And all these things are a part of SAP Basis consultant role, and they are also called as SAP administrative consultants.